this idea of eco-civilization, where they are talking about harmony between the human and the planet. I think that is a fundamental, you can say, their ideology, which is steering the process and leading the Chinese nation towards a harmony between planet and the human, but not at the cost of the human development. So China is not talking about the harmony. China is taking the step, and China also have increased its cooperation in the green economy, in the green sustainable development. So they are taking concrete step to how to move forward for the harmonization, because China understands that without harmonization of planet and human, there is no sustainable development. That's why China have introduced a new model, eco-civilization. That is, I feel, it is a sustainable development with Chinese characteristics, especially of the policy, governance and the politics.